How to get refund on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Temu. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on your orders option, and this is where all your purchase items are listed. Now here you can simply find the items that you want to return a refund, and after that you can just tap on it. And then you can open the order details page, and there you can look for return or refund option. And once you've found that, you can just tap on it to continue. And after that, Temu will ask why you want to refund, and there you can just select the region, and with that you can just confirm your request and follow any instructions that you have been prompted. And here, once submitted, Temu will review your request and refund will be processed if approved, and money will go back to your original payment method. And that's it. That's how you can get refund on Temu. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.